The secret to trading, the secret to life, keep it simple. It's just going to be discipline. A lot of you guys can't be disciplined. You can't be consistent. You refuse to stick to your stop loss. You refuse to stick to your risk management. You refuse to stick to your entry criteria. You claim you want to be rich. You claim you want to get to the other side. You claim you want to be successful, but it's not true. Reflect on your actions. Look at your P&L. Are you journaling your trades? The laziness and the weakness that impedes inside of you, you're letting it take over. Some of you guys are oversizing and blowing up your accounts within 1 or 2 trades because you want to be rich. You want to be wealthy. You want to protect and provide for your family. You want to go cop a Ferrari. You want to go cop a lamb. You want to do all these big things. But your discipline is not reflective of that. The way you feel on the inside is not reflective of your actions. When you refuse to stick to the fact that you just lost your trade and you come back over and over again, trying to set up over and over again, the only reason you guys blow up your accounts is not because you're bad at trading. It's not because your analysis is bad. A lot of you guys have ego problems. You can't take a loss. You can't take an L. You don't know how to bounce back and shake back from a slight L. You don't know how to be like, okay, stop loss was hit. Let me relax. Let me take a step back. Let me keep my account alive. Let me come back when I'm feeling confident, when the A+ setup is there, when the setup makes sense. Instead, you guys are letting your greed take over. You're letting your greed take over, and that's why you continue to just get on the 1 minute, scalp any other setup on the block, take quick profit, close before take profit even gets hit, not sticking to your stop loss, dragging stop loss, trying to trade over and over and over and over again. And you say you want to be wealthy. You guys have to understand that these high-level traders, these high-level individuals within this earth are disciplined individuals. They're resilient individuals, and they don't bend or break. You have to be the absolute same way. You have to tell yourself that if I want to get to the next level, I can't even think about the money. I just have to understand that it's going to take daily prayer and daily action. You can't sit back crashing out your account every single day and going around telling people, yeah, I'm a trader, yeah, I'm doing this. A lot of you guys are running away to funded accounts because you can't grow your own personal account. You guys aren't taking it as serious as you need to. And you guys are also comparing yourself to others as well too, which is going to be another thing why you need to remove that greed from you. The reason why those individuals are in that said place that you want to get to is because they're disciplined. Now, the disciplined individuals that come on the channel and hello, but the ones who just want to be rich, the ones who are trading just for money, the ones who think that trading is going to be just a quick way to put some bread in your pocket, it can't be. It definitely can't be, especially after you come for mentorship. But you can't lose yourself in that. Trading's not like a job. You don't really lose money from a job. If you get fired, you don't lose money. Money just stops coming in. In trading, you can run up 7 figures. Let you get an ego. Let you think you're better than what you are. Let you not stick to your stop loss. Let you not stick to your plan. You'll lose it all. And you'll be humbled, just like that. Another thing with trading too, your psychology is going to be messed up. Your brain is going to be messed up. You're going to look at money a lot differently. When you start doing 3-figure days, when you start doing your first 4-figure days, you're going to be like, okay, money is not really what I thought it was. You guys are going to be able to do 3 to 4-figure days very consistently, very easily, especially when you come for StackMODE.net mentorship. I make it extremely streamlined, no indicators, no weird processes. But the main thing that I do preach is discipline. Discipline in setup and entry criteria. Because regardless of the amount of contracts that you have, you could be on 1 contract. You could be on 10,000 contracts. At the end of the day, you're still sticking to your stop loss. You're still sticking to your risk management. You're still sticking to that A+ entry criteria every single time. So nothing changes. Get the money out of your head. Get the greed out of your head. Get those destructive emotions out of your head. And then inshallah, watch how you progress. It's going to take some time. But I need you guys to understand that self-mastery is going to be the way to get you profitable. The way to get you to the lifestyle that you want to be at. Check it out. This is through discipline, prayer and discipline. I just get up, pray, and grind. And this is where I get to be at, alhamdulillah. All right, you can do the same thing. There used to be times I was broke, I didn't have a car, didn't have a crib, didn't have things like that. But I grinded, stay down, stay patient. Took a lot of losing. Showed you guys my whole track record. Showed you guys P&L plenty of times. Showed you guys live logins. I don't fake anything. I just like to show you guys that it's possible to make some consistent income. You don't need a whole big account. Don't think that you can't start now. The reason why people aren't getting anywhere is because they think that you can't start now. Why are you waiting until you have 5,000 to boot up that small account? Boot it up with 200, see what you can do, and keep growing from there. Start today. Because the sooner that you start, the sooner that you're going to be able to put yourself on a streamlined process. And then your discipline is not even going to be something that's going to feel like you're pulling against it. It's going to be a part of your flow. Discipline is going to be everything that you do know. All right? So understand that discipline is going to be the number one factor to everything that you need. The lifestyle that you want to live, your relationship with God, make sure you guys are praying consistently. Your discipline on the charts, if you want to easily get to 4 figures a trade, 3 figures a trade, okay? You don't even have to start thinking about 5 figures a trade and stuff like that right now. Start small, start today, okay? I don't even care if you guys start on paper trading. Wait till you get paid from work, paper trade, work your way up, and then you guys are going to be able to go ahead and get to the next level. But the more that you guys wait around, the more that you guys sit around, the more that you guys don't believe in yourself, and the more that you don't start now, the more time you're going to waste. Stop looking at these other people. Stop looking at these individuals buying cars, buying jewelry, buying all these things, and change your mindset. How did these individuals get those things? It's not just about money. They sat. They streamlined a creative process. They were disciplined. They stuck to the plan. And then, inshallah, God wills, through prayer and discipline, those things are just byproducts. Money and stuff like that just comes. But as long as you guys are praying and grinding and staying disciplined, then anything is going to be possible. You're going to be able to turn the account from 3 figures to 4 figures, 4 figures to 5 figures, 5 figures to 6 figures. Trading is not like a job. Business is not like a job. You don't get a raise every year here and there by little dollar increases. No. The more disciplined that you are, the more that you double down, the harder that you go, inshallah, the more results you're going to be able to receive from it. No one can fire you from your business. No one can fire you from trading. You're going to be your own boss. That's also another thing too. A lot of you guys claim that you want to be your own boss, but you're not really ready for that. You're not really ready for that. A lot of you guys are playing games. You're playing around. You're not disciplined for real. You don't really want it as bad as you say or think internally that you think you want it, because your outside actions are reflective of it. You're not going hard. You're not believing in yourself. You're not trusting your setup. All those hours you spent studying, you still haven't gotten my free ebook and studied. You still don't understand that wicks are everything on the chart. You're still playing with weird indicators and EMAs. You're still on the fundeds not getting withdrawals. You're still blowing up your account and doing the nonsense. Yet you claim you want to be rich, you want to be wealthy. You're not going to get to the other side doing the same thing. You're putting yourself in limbo within a hamster wheel. I need you guys to double down, tighten up, lock in, and change your perspective. And then watch how your outside changes. All right? I love you guys so much. Stay prayed up. Keep grinding. Catch you in the next one. Peace.